In this KIVA feature, I will show you how the People Also Ask panel helps you discover trending questions from Google, Bing, and Yahoo, so you can refine your content strategy with confidence. Here is how it works. Step number 1. Select relevant questions. Choose the ones that align with your goals to improve topical relevance and cover real searching time. Step 2. Toggle Shows Answers. You will instantly see AI-generated responses giving you a clear view of how each question is being answered across platforms. You select all for bulk actions or deselect which you don't want to proceed with. Step number 4. You can also see which search engine each question comes from, Google, Bing, or Yahoo, thanks to clear platform icons right next to them. With Kiva's PAA feature, you can turn user-driven questions into high-impact content opportunities.